How to weaponize your money. It's your boy DeVaughn, putting work Burke, the Wealthbuilder himself, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful conversations you'll ever have about your financial future. Because out here in the real world, money is more than paper, digits, and direct deposits. Money is a tool, a shield, and when used correctly, money becomes a weapon. A weapon that cuts through generational curses, a weapon that slices through setbacks and emergencies, a weapon that protects your family, builds your legacy, and attacks opportunities on sight. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how to weaponize your money the Wealthbuilderz way. Let's lock all the way in, shall we? Number 1, train your money like a soldier. The first step to turning money into a weapon is discipline. Money that sits around doing nothing becomes lazy, unproductive, and eventually gets spent. But money that moves automatically is trained. Set up automated movements like automatically investing in stocks and dividend ETFs, automatic transfers to savings, automatic credit building payments, automatic contributions to business funding or emergency reserves. Automation removes emotion, and a weapon with no emotion is powerful. Number 2, use money to buy time. It's the ultimate power play. Here's a secret. Most people never learn, right? Time is the strongest weapon in the wealth game. And wealthy people use their money to buy more time. And when you pay for a virtual assistant, a video editor, automation software, a mentor or coach, business tools that cut your workload in half, you're not just spending money. You're upgrading your time. And time is the weapon that makes every other weapon stronger, right? I've talked about spending money to get your time back, right? So it's nothing new to y'all, right, my brothers? So number 3, turn your dollars into income producing assets. See, weaponized money doesn't sit still, it multiplies. And when you invest, you're turning $1 into a soldier that goes out, fights, wins, and brings back more soldiers, right? Like dividend stocks that pay you every quarter. Rental real estate like Airbnb, STRs, and REITs and Fundrise. Business assets, affiliate marketing funnels, digital products, automated YouTube channels, crypto staking, if done responsibly, right? A regular person spends money. A wealth builder, we multiply it, baby. And number 4, build financial shields or you'll become a target. See, weapons aren't just for offense, they're for protection. A wealthy person without protection is a walking liability. Your shields include life insurance for legacy and infinite banking, trust to protect assets, LLCs to reduce personal risk, emergency funds to soften blows, high limit credit cards as leverage, proper bookkeeping. The more you protect your money, the more aggressively you can use it. And number 5, keep liquidity for fast strikes. See, opportunities don't wait. Weaponized money isn't locked up, frozen, or tied to a six-month waiting period. You always want a stash of easy to access cash, your opportunity fund, right? Because when that perfect property deal, SPY drop, or business acquisition, or funding opportunity, distressed asset, discounted inventory shows up, you want to strike first. Speed is a weapon, okay? And number 6, make money amplify your voice. A major part of weaponizing money is using it to increase your influence, because influence prints money. Use your money to run paid ads, upgrade your camera and lighting, buy editing tools, get better thumbnails, post more content, improve SEO, grow your email list, brand your business with elite visuals. The louder your brand gets, the more money circles back to you. And number 7, master leverage, the real money weapon. Here's the truth the rich people understand. You don't get wealthy off your own money. You get wealthy off of other people's money. This includes business credit, personal credit used responsibly, lines of credit, business funding, 0% interest cards, leveraging your LLC structure, leverage from partnerships and team members. Leverage lets you skip years of slow progress. It's the difference between walking to your goal and getting there in a private jet. You dig? Number 8, you need to create systems that make money move without you. Basically, right? Weaponized money doesn't depend on your energy, right? Or your motivation or mood. It moves 24/7 because systems don't get tired, right? So you can use SOPs to run your business, VA instructions and templates, auto posting tools, chat GPT workflows, scheduling systems, funnel automation, subscription-based revenue. These are the way, right? How you build income that continues when you sleep, travel, or take a break. That's how generational wealth is built, because it's not just you. And number 9, weaponize your mindset. Money flows up to identity, right? So if you think like a consumer, money runs away. If you think like a creator, money comes home. A weaponized money mindset sounds like money works for me. Every dollar I spend comes back multiplied. Opportunities are everywhere. I am building generational wealth. My money is a tool, not a trophy. So your mindset is the trigger that fires every other weapon. And number 10, finally, use money to control your environment. A dangerous mistake people make is keeping money but staying in the same environments that drain them. Weaponized money upgrades your surroundings, right? Networking rooms, higher quality mentors, safer neighborhoods, better schools for your kids, cleaner energy, more supportive circles, fewer low quality distractions. Your environment determines your velocity. Your money determines your environment, okay? So finally, just think of it like this. Weaponized money creates freedom. This is the secret the wealthy live by. Money isn't about buying things. Money is about buying position. Position brings options. Options bring freedom. Freedom brings power. And when you use money intentionally, not emotionally, not reactively, it becomes a weapon that builds your life, protects your family, and multiplies your legacy. You're not just earning money, you are arming yourself for financial freedom. Until next time, Wealth Builders. Peace.